In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of links in a marketing email in HubSpot. Start by opening your browser and searching for HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot site, then sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the main navigation on the left side of the screen. Hover there to reveal the menu and find the Marketing section. Click Marketing, then choose Email to open your email dashboard. In the email dashboard, locate the marketing email you want to update. It can be a draft or an existing message you're refining. Click Edit to open it in the Email Designer so you can adjust its global styling. Inside the editor, focus on the panel along the left. Click the Template Design icon to open the Design settings. This panel controls global styles for the email, which ensures your changes apply consistently across modules and sections rather than just to a single block of text. Scroll within the Design panel until you find the Text Link Color option. This setting changes the color of standard text hyperlinks throughout your email body. Click the color swatch to open the color picker. From here, you can choose a brand color from the presets, move the slider to fine-tune a shade, or enter a specific hex or RGB value if you have brand codes handy. Pick a color that clearly stands out from your body text and background for strong readability. As soon as you choose a color, you'll see links in the main preview update so you can confirm the look. You don't need to press a save button for this change. HubSpot autosaves in the background, and you'll see a small confirmation in the editor. If you want to refine the shade, just reopen the color picker and select a new one. It will update and autosave again. While you're in the same design area, you can also adjust button colors if your template includes buttons. Aligning button color with your link color, or choosing a complementary shade, helps readers instantly recognize clickable elements and creates a cohesive, on-brand look. A few quick pointers as you choose colors. Keep your brand guidelines in mind, make sure links remain visibly different from surrounding text, and prioritize contrast so links are easy to read on both light and dark backgrounds. Avoid very pale colors for links, since many email clients reduce underlines or change rendering slightly, and low contrast choices can become hard to spot. That's all there is to it. You've signed in, opened email, edited your message, used the template design panel, set your text link color, relied on autosave, and noted where to adjust button colors for a polished, consistent result.